Welcome to the 1099 ETC program. This tutorial covers setting up state withholding tax for Colorado. This video covers the payer, employee and check setup. To begin, the payer, ABC Payroll, has been created. Open the payer in AMS Payroll. Select Payer. Then Payer Edit. Select the Payer State, Local tab. This is the Payer State, Local screen. Some information, such as the SUTA rates and the depositor type have been set up. Click the drop-down arrow beside the SITWH method. There are three options. The first option is Table. If selected, the state withholding calculations will be based on the state tax tables that are included in the program. The percentage of wages plus tips option calculates the state withholding based on the taxable wages plus tips. The last option, percentage of federal income tax withholding, calculates the state withholding as a percentage of federal withholding. For the purposes of the tutorial, we are going to select Table. Click the Preferences tab. In the Check Entry Fields Preferences, check 3, Need State Withholding. This will add a field called SITW on the check screen. This field can be used to either enter or calculate the state withholding. Click OK. On the AMS Payroll menu, select Input. Next, highlight an employee and click Edit. Select the Live Payroll Parameters tab. In the Tax Calc Parameters section, on a blank line either click the number at the beginning of the line, or double-click on the blank line itself. Click the State, Local arrow. Select Colorado from the list. When Colorado was selected, the tax table number line appeared, because earlier we selected Table as a state withholding method. If percentage of rates had been selected, you would enter the tax rate instead. Click the arrow beside the tax table number and select the appropriate tax table. Select one, Single as a tax table. If you are using a tax table, the annual exclusion is already built in. You do not need to add it on this screen. On this screen, you can also enter an add-on amount for state withholding. Click OK. The employee's state withholding has been set up. Click OK. Now, we are going to demonstrate how to calculate the state withholding on checks. Highlight an employee and click Add Check. First, make sure that the correct state is selected on the check. If it is not, click the arrow and make the correct selection. Next, make sure there is a check mark beside the SITW field. If not, check it. To test, enter in 1000 in the gross and make sure that any fields you want to calculate are checked. Click Calculate. As you can see, everything checked was calculated, including the state withholding. Click Save to save the check. If your SITW did not calculate, go back and make sure the payer and employee setup is correct. For further questions, please review the frequently asked questions on our website. Technical support can be reached by email, fax, chat or phone. Thank you for using the 1099 etc. program. Have a great day.